In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wireframes in Miro. Wireframing is the simplest way to map out the structure of a website or app before you invest time in visuals or code. Think of it as your blueprint, fast to build, easy to change, and perfect for aligning on layout and hierarchy. Start by creating a new board in Miro. Once you're in, give your board a clear name so you can find it later and keep your work organized. A new board gives you a clean space to sketch your ideas without distractions. If you prefer structure right away, you can jump into templates. Otherwise, a blank board is great for a from-scratch approach. You can either open a blank board or select a wireframe template. To use a template, open the Templates panel, then use the search bar and type wireframe. You'll see ready-made wireframe kits with common elements like headers, cards, and mobile screens. Choose one that fits your project and drop it onto the board. Templates help you move faster, but remember, they're just a starting point. You can swap, resize, or remove anything to fit your vision. Now it's time to add wireframe elements. Use basic shapes, rectangles, lines, and the text tool to sketch the layout. Keep it low fidelity. Black, white, and gray are your friends. Rectangles can stand in for sections like headers, sidebars, and content blocks. Lines can separate areas or guide your eye down the page. Use the text tool to label each section clearly, like hero, feature list, or footer, so anyone viewing your board understands the intent instantly. As you place elements, rely on Miro's alignment guides to keep spacing consistent and duplicate shapes to maintain uniform sizes. Use placeholders to represent content you'll define later. For images, draw a rectangle and add an X inside to mark it as a visual. For buttons, use rounded rectangles with short labels like sign up or learn more. For text boxes, add grey blocks or shorter lines to show headlines versus body copy. And for navigation menus, create a horizontal bar with simple text labels to indicate the top-level pages or tabs. These placeholders help you focus on structure and hierarchy rather than design details. As you refine, keep your layout simple, readable, and consistent. The goal is clarity, showing what goes where and why, so your team can quickly understand the flow and give feedback. That's how you create wireframes in Miro.